our lap time setup. Alright folks, as usual, lap 1 is the warm-up lap. These guys.
Representing FS Motorsports, car number 54. Racing, driving the blue Hyundai R-Spec, car number 420. Folks, I think you're still in the track.
I'm going to hold him up so we can take a picture.
Paddock is still open. Feel free to take photos, visit the drivers, visit the teams. Snap a photo. And we hope to conclude the championship hours of CSCS time attack. And right after this session, we will be releasing the CSCS drifters back onto the track. At the same time, 3, 2, 1,
second place, representing Precision Motorsport, we have Brandon Prasad.
Yay!
Finally, in first.
we're going to have a check on Abdul Wasai. We're going to see his location.
What are you running? 25, 27?